Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You've already loaded the kick. Now route it to its own mixer track and name it. This prevents accidental processing later. Insert a parametric EQ2 as the first plugin. You want surgical control early. First, solo the kick and play a consistent hit. Then, lower the channel fader to monitor at a comfortable level so you're not misled by loudness. Once this is set, you can see peaks, resonances, and the region that defines the punch versus the sub. With the EQ open, use a narrow cue and sweep to find the fundamental. Boost slightly to reveal where the kick's punch lives, then back off until it feels natural. Once done, switch to a broad, gentle cut in the 200 to 500 Hz area to remove muddiness. This frees space for bass. Next, shape the sub with a low shelf or tight bell around 40 to 80 Hz. Make sure to check in mono so phase issues don't hide. Make small moves. Big boosts create problems. You're close. A /B the EQ against the raw kick and listen for improved balance and presence. If the low end feels weak in the mix, nudge the sub band or add gentle saturation to harmonically enhance it. If it gets boomy, deepen the low mid cut. Make sure to check phase with the bass track. Flip polarity if cancellation occurs. If tuning still causes issues, use a dynamic EQ or parallel compression to control only the problematic moments. This keeps natural tone while fixing faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.